Hi, my name is Kevin Marks, manager of A1 Floors in Raleigh, serving the Triangle and surrounding areas. I'm visiting today with a customer of ours, Kim Mills from Clayton. It's the day after we've installed new flooring through our second floor, starting with the stairs. We put in brand new luxurious carpeting, beautiful for her. Transitioning up to the flooring on the entire second floor is a brand new luxury vinyl plank with a beautiful wood look throughout. This is the hall area, and we'll be walking into Miss Kim Mills' master bedroom, where we finished off with it as well. Luxury vinyl planks becoming very popular in today's market. A lot of benefits to it. Want to take a moment with Kim, if she doesn't mind, and share your experience with A1 Floors, if you could.
Yes, Kevin. So I really like these floors. They're very easy to maintain. They just pick up so many beautiful colors and they just really make the room stand out. So great job, great installation. I'm very happy, and we're looking forward to doing the rest of our house on the first floor as well. Thanks, Kevin.
Well, thank you so much. And as Kim did mention, we are coming back at the end of this month, and we'd be putting this same flooring throughout the entire first floor of our home. Another happy customer, and we appreciate and value your business. Thank you so much.
Thank you.
Bye-bye.
Bye.